Shout out to Fidget, anyone who's watching. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. What is up, everybody? I'm just come here to talk about this. It is a terrible, hard. It hurts really bad. It's a scar, and it hurts more than you can probably predict. Like, it hurts so bad that whenever I walk, I cramp there. But whenever I run, it's fine. But yeah. And today I'm gonna go find the fidget spinner so I can do another fidget spinner update. But I'm guessing I've been doing a lot of those, so I think I'm gonna start a playlist on YouTube called Fidget Spinner Updates because I'm getting another one today. It's the diamond one. I'm not gonna do a video on it because I don't want it to be stolen by anyone. So yeah, you guys are just looking at you guys don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm upstairs. Great kitchen. Oh, I think I see it. Darn it. Alright guys, so I cannot seem to find it. But I will just talk about how popular they are getting. They're getting unbelievably popular. I guess I'm just gonna do all that now. I will see you guys all in the next clip. Just wait. Alright, so I got the triune spinner. It will be going on. It'll be a triune, then orange, then blue. But I'm gonna set down here. She doesn't know what I mean. It is. Yeah, it's spinning anymore. That's just great. The only reason it ain't spinning is because the spinner is kind of trash because see how that wick's out and all the other ones are in? This one, its wick is out. So I'm gonna spin it and watch what happens as soon as it's done. And they call them fidget spinners. They call them fidget spinners. I will be giving this away. If you are my oh, it's not. Oh, yeah, all you guys need to do is just smash that like button. Now it's in. All you guys need to do is smash that button. Bam. We'll get a fidget, and bam, we'll get a fidget. I'm guessing most people on the world already have fidget spinners. I am going to be showing off the orange one in my later videos. I'm sorry for being too fun for you. Too fun for me? I do not. talking and I can't thank you. Because whenever I do something, it always comes out right. But sometimes, most of the time, it comes out wrong. So, alright, so I just found another trying spinner from because the other one that I was using was my sister's, but not my real one. And yes, I do have an orange one, but I will show you that later. Because I just love the classics. Because if I have a fidget spinner, then I can do whatever I want with it. I can break it, I can destroy it, I can do whatever I want. This is just another one of those old videos that like everyone clicked on. So yeah. Hello everybody. Why did I smash my tripod there? The fidget spinner updates kind of getting a little old, but hey, at least I still like playing with them. You can fidget with them. You can do whatever you want. This is my studio. This is my studio making my videos. Little comedy. Then we're going to be showing you how to do it. I'm going to set up my account. It's actually $100. So you earn money. I'll show you. Stop it. This is still my sister's. Just kidding. The one that I was using before was just how you want to you gotta do chores. And I need to clean my room, so I will see you guys all in the next clip. Yep, guess I'll see you later. Okay, so I just finished painting to clean my room and after the shower. Here is what my room looks like. This is how you get money.